Hello everyone, here I am Dr. Vipin Kumar, going to give another important lecture on soil profile and its properties. First of all, I will explain what is the soil profile. This is the arrangement of the horizontally arrangement of the different layer of the horizon in a soil is known as your soil profile. Here you can see the different color as indicating that these are the different horizons, and most of the soil scientists, they are using five master horizon, that is O, A, B, C and E. But mostly what we found that many of the soil is having only three horizon, that is your surface horizon, and that is called A horizon, and subsurface B horizon, and substratum is a C horizon. So in the sequence we will discuss of all the horizons and their properties. So first of all we will discuss about the O horizon, and that is called your organic horizon. And reason behind it that you will find this color of this horizon is black to dark brown in color, and the reason is that because of the high organic matter. Here you can see that in this type of the horizon having at least 20% of the organic matter by the mass, and the condition where it form is saturated, anaerobic condition, you can say wetland condition. And many times what we found that when we go in the forest area where the litter production, means forest leaf production, is very high, that's why there is a very clear cut you can find the O horizon. So we can say that O horizon available in virgin soil and forest area, and it is very rarest to find in the cultivated area. On the basis of decomposition state of the organic matter, we can divide this into the fabric means in this condition you can identify the source of organic matter, from where this organic matter is the source. And in the hemic condition it is somewhat little difficult to identify it, because here the organic matter or litter will be partially decomposed. In the spheric condition you cannot identify the source of organic matter, because here it will be totally decomposed. So in the next is our A horizon. A horizon, the property is that you can say pronounce it is a topsoil and mineral horizon, because many of the minerals will be available here. And the one of the basic properties of this soil is the zone, it is called zone of elevation, because many of these minerals like the clay and iron, aluminum oxide and soluble salt that gone leach from here, so that's why this is called zone of elevation. And this profile sometime not visible because of the flooding, volcanic eruption, landslide and dust deposition. These are the region because of this the sometime this type of the profile is not visible. If we combine the B horizon with the A horizon, then it is called solemn, and many times we pronounce it as a true soil. So we can see the basic properties of the B horizon. The B horizon is called is the zone of accumulation, so it is sometimes pronounced as a zone of elevation, and clay, soluble salt and iron and aluminum will be deposited here, and chemical alteration of the clay structure will be here. So if we combine the C horizon, so these three horizon combinedly called our regolith. And regolith, we can say that the unconsolidated material that is laying above the bedrocks is called regolith. So if we see the basic properties of the C horizon, then we find that this is the unconsolidated material, and this is zone of least weathering, and there will be a high accumulation of the calcium and magnesium carbonate, and because of very least weathering, and here you will find the basic properties of the parent materials. There will be not much changes in the soil here. So because of this, the bulk density of this horizon will be very high, and here will be the no major changes in the, and dominant process will occur here. So this is, you can say that the first stage of the zone formation or horizon formation. And for the example purpose, you can find out this type of the soil in the glacial till or lake sediment. These all are the example of your C horizon. And below that you will find the bedrocks, and this is totally undisturbed, means this is the basically a parent material that has been or used for the formation of the soil. So weathering will start from here, but this is the, you can say, is the undisturbed or rocks as a parent material. And I think you understand this all the what is the soil profile and its basic properties. And if you like and enjoyed this, you can subscribe me on my YouTube channel Dr. Bipin Kumar. You can also like my Facebook page Dr. Bipin Kumar, or you can follow me on my Twitter AgroBipin IARI.